Nepal is a country still disheveled with political instability, not to mention its countless socio-cultural values and practices that do not promote gender equality. Women in Nepal are still struggling to have access to basic rights, to education and information. Women Literacy Project was therefore launched as a small pilot project in Amics Activity Center. Today, the program is running in its 4th year with around 20 women from neighboring communities attending literacy classes every day of the week, all year round. Women Literacy Project was also initiated in Mahendranagar of Kanchanpur district for 2 years with a total of around 200 beneficiaries. Along with the Women Literacy Project, Amics del Nepal has also started an agriculture project called Namuna Bari in 2017. The project is currently being implemented in Bhimfedi Bal Mandir, a children's home in Makwanpur. The main aim of the project is to make the children's home self-sufficient as well as to introduce eco-friendly, sustainable and innovative farming practices in the larger community. The key beneficiaries of this project are the women running the children's home. Besides, Amics del Nepal also plans to launch other projects in the near future that aim at developing livelihood skills and opportunities for women in Nepal. We are hopeful that by contributing to education, health and livelihood opportunities for women, they in turn will create loving, safe and socially responsive communities.
Namaste, I am Asmita Bujel and I am the Quality Development Officer of Amics del Nepal. Also, from the past 3 years, I have been running Women Literacy Project. Women Literacy Project is a program which is helping the women to become literate. I think this program is important because it helps women to educate and empower themselves. Also, as being a woman, I can see many girls and women who are still illiterate and in miserable condition. So the women project of Amics del Nepal is providing an opportunity for the women to literate and help themselves. Thank you.